By 2026, the digital world aims for total frictionlessness. Your AI agent adjusts the lighting before you wake, selects a morning playlist based on your cortisol levels, and restocks your kitchen before the milk runs out. In this environment, the possibility of a wrong choice, or any unexpected choice, is engineered away. Life becomes a series of pre-vetted events, leaving little room for spontaneous discovery. This raises a question about the nature of modern desire. If your next hobby or your favorite new song was modeled by code before you encountered it, the boundary between your taste and the machine's suggestion disappears. This anticipatory logic forms the basis of a predictive system. It functions by fulfilling a need at the exact moment it arises, preventing the user from ever looking outside the current loop. This timeline tracks past interactions, every article read, video skipped, and location visited. That data is projected forward to create a probabilistic map. This system restricts your horizon by highlighting choices that align with this mathematical projection, hiding paths the model deems low probability. This level of optimization prioritizes maximum ease, which in turn facilitates maximum time spent on platform. The smoother the experience, the less likely you are to encounter a moment of friction that prompts you to look away. When every interaction is anticipated and every choice is pre-selected, the user is no longer exploring a network. They are navigating a cage built from the data of their own past preferences. Every micro-interaction serves as raw material for this cage. A 2-second pause on a thumbnail or a specific scroll speed is logged as a distinct behavioral data point. These trillions of points are aggregated into a digital double. This is a virtual identity, a high-fidelity map of your tendencies that is bought, sold, and utilized by recommendation engines in real time. The silhouette fills with your location history, view times, and purchase categories until a dense, measurable avatar takes shape. This profile is what the internet sees when it looks at you. The system treats this static caricature as the definitive version of the user. It ignores the fluid, contradictory nature of a real person in favor of a model that can be easily categorized and predicted. Global digital infrastructure is now calibrated to serve this ghost made of past data, rather than the complex, changing human being currently using the device. Maintaining this virtual identity requires a constant, often unconscious effort to stay within the lines the algorithm has drawn for us. We call this the algorithmic mirror. It describes the way people alter their real-world behavior to ensure they remain legible and rewardable by the predictive systems they rely on. This loop starts when a user acts, the system provides validation, and that validation encourages repeated behavior. As it accelerates, the system deletes any interest lacking an immediate data reward. If you change in unpredicted ways, you hit a wall of friction. This creates a specific tension, the feeling that the systems designed to know you are actually holding you hostage to an older, simpler version of yourself. When you only see what the algorithm wants you to see, and only do what the algorithm rewards you for doing, you stop being the author of your own life. You become a character written by a machine. To break out of this loop, you have to move from passive consumption to active, intentional disruption of the model. The first step is data silence. By deliberately disconnecting from real-time feeds, you stop providing the behavioral inputs the machine needs to update its model of you. This silence creates a space where your thoughts can develop without being immediately categorized, monetized, or redirected by a notification. The second step is algorithmic sabotage. This involves feeding the system noise, data points that contradict your established profile. The system's confidence score relies on consistency. By introducing randomized inputs, like searching for topics you hate, you degrade the profile's accuracy. When the score drops, the model fails. This shatters the echo chamber, allowing the actual internet to become visible again. Reclaiming your identity requires finding value in activities that leave no digital footprint, moments that cannot be quantified or fed back into the machine. In 2026, being unpredictable is a functional way to reclaim control over your own path. It is a refusal to be a solved problem. Technology should function as a tool for exploring the world, not as a script for how to live in it. Your identity belongs to you, not the code that tries to predict it.